you can make for your breakfast or as a snack item or even as a light meal. It's super simple and doesn't take much time and is made with ingredients which are readily available at home. So let's go to my kitchen and start making today's Rava Uttapam. So let's start with today's recipes of Uttapam and the chutney. So first I will show you how to prepare this instant Rava Uttapam or Uttappa, and then I will show you how I prepare this very delicious yet very simple red chutney to go along with it. So now the ingredients are, I've taken 3/4 of a cup of very fine rava or semolina, 1 cup of dahi. This is 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and some water as required. Now first I'm going to put the rava into a bowl, add the salt and the baking soda, and I'm going to mix all of this well together. Then I'm going to add the dahi and mix it again, and then I'm going to add little water at a time so I get a typical uttappa or dosa, a little thicker batter, not a very thick batter like an idli batter, but something which I can spread. And I'm going to let this sit for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Now our batter is ready. I have 1 small onion which I've chopped fine, 1 light green chili, some coriander, and I've taken some rasam powder with a little bit of salt. Now I've heated up my flat dosa tawa. I'm just going to put a ladle full of the batter, put a little bit of oil at the side, sprinkle a little bit of the rasam with salt mixture, the onions, the chili, the coriander, and I'm just going to let it cook. Now when the edges of the uttappa start to brown, just loosen up the uttappa and press it down, and then just flip it over. Put a little bit of ghee this time and let it cook for about half a minute or so. This gets ready really quickly. And then just loosen up the edges and let it fry for a little while. So each uttappa should take you about a minute or so to prepare. And that's it, friends. Then of course clean your tawa when you're putting the next one. Give it a little bit of a wipe with a nice clean cloth, and then again put a ladle full of that, spread it out like this. When it starts to bubble like this, then just put a little bit of oil, again the rasam and salt mixture. Now if you don't have rasam powder, you can also go with a little bit of sambar powder or mulga podi or any regular chutney that you powder that you have at home. Press it down a bit. Then you will see that the edges start to golden, to turn brown, golden brown in color. That's when you just loosen it up lightly. Now ensure that your tawa is really hot. That really helps in the uttappa getting cooked fast. And then once you flip it on, just drizzle a little bit of ghee on the top. And in this way, you can prepare your uttappa. Now with the quantity that I used, I got about 5 uttappas. So if you want more, then you can just double the quantity. So these are really delicious, very crispy, and they have a very nice flavor of their own. And now let's see how to prepare this lovely red chutney. This is super delicious and it goes so well with these uttappas or even with idlis, dosas. It's a real nice accompaniment and it's pretty simple. Now here I've taken half of a medium onion and just chopped it up roughly. Here I have about 4 small cloves of garlic, 2 dried red chilies, just 1 large tomato, and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now I also have soaked about half a tablespoon of tamarind or chinsa in about half a cup of water. Now once my pan is hot, I've added about 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm just going to add my garlic, my chilies, the onions, the cumin seeds, and I'm going to fry this till the onions are nice and translucent on a low to medium flame. Then I'm going to add my tomato, mix everything well, and then we're going to cover this for about half a minute till the tomatoes become nice and soft and mushy. Then turn off the flame and let the mixture cool completely. Then you add it to your mixer pot once it's completely cooled. Squeeze out the juice of the tamarind. Add that. Add a little salt to taste. And then we're just going to blend this entire thing to this smooth, lovely chutney. And that's it, friends. Our chutney is all ready. Isn't that really super simple? So I hope you give both these recipes a try. Do let me know in the comment section below how you liked both these recipes. Thank you. So friends, did you like today's recipe? It was super simple, right? So if you like today's video and recipe, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon that you see somewhere below this video. Also, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button that you see just somewhere below this video and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there's a small bell that will show up. Just click on that bell. That way, whenever I put up a new video, you'll get a message for the same. Also, if you're looking for any of my recipes on YouTube, just type the recipe and just besides it, type Akshita's recipes and my recipe will show up. So thank you guys for joining me today, and stay happy, stay safe, be loving and kind to one another, and I'll catch you soon in my next video.